cunty version of Art the Clown, bitch. This is how I block my brows with my glue stick. Always start this way and drag it on. And you don't want to give it time to dry. Start brushing it up. Key to this is to have a really good spoolie that can actually push your eyebrow hair up. Alright, as that one's drying, I'm gonna hit this one up. I like to do another layer and just right on top. Brush it on top. Let it dry. Let it dry. Don't do nothing extra. Now I repeat this step like 3-ish times. And then I take a pressed powder and push it onto that brow. And you can kind of see like this one's laying a little bit flatter. So then I'll take my glue stick back over it again. It's a process. Okay, next round of powder. Dust this extra shit off. Cap your glue stick and don't let it dry out. Use my little orange blush to kind of color correct my eyebrows. So yeah, I apply the orange to balance out the eyebrow color correction-ish. Little bit of my concealer, just lightly on top. That's about where I'll leave it because I'm going to paint my face white, but yeah, that's about what I do with my eyebrows, and then I'll throw my foundation on top of that. If I need to add more orange, I will, but that's about where I block out the eyebrows. My Maron white cream stick. Rosacea hack. This is it. Setting with my RCMA powder. I'm gonna set this eye first because it's gonna drive me nuts if I don't. I'm gonna use Ghostly Gray from my Ghost Face palette right here. My contour here, I tried to take it deep and then like around my cheeks, so I smiled and just kept swiping it under, you know what I mean, to like give, I don't know, like the happy cheeks. I don't know if that makes sense. Let's see if I can do an eyebrow. Start it like here. And go like that. She's giving fab. Try to spruce this up. So the eyebrows are not giving what I wanted, but it is what the fuck it is, so we're just gonna keep it going. So it'll all come together in the end, just like trust me. My melt eyeliner, and I'm really just going to do this so I can kind of smudge what I want. Base fluid eye paint and like, yeah. Okay, we're just darkening this part up, okay? Red shade Perception. My Ellis palette around this black. Really taking it like all around the black. More pink. Ew. No worse feeling than trying to blend out a red shadow and it turns pink. That pisses me off. I'm just dragging the eyeshadow down so when I put that liner on, it will be right there and perfect. Fuck. Next bright idea is to do something with this eye, so just, you know, stand put. Is this beautiful? Hello. Welcome to Late Night with Samantha, starring me, Samantha. Thank you. For tonight, we will be painting flowers on my face. Thank you. I'm fucking nervous. Should I make it bigger? Can you even see that? You can't fucking see it. I can see it. I don't care about you. Okay, black and waterline. Okay, let's figure out the lippies. I literally have to like fill in my piercing hole. Fucking contact. It took forever to get in. I can like see it. Alright, now it's time for the teeth. This is the teeth paint. Have to get this on. Oh good. Just accentuates my double chin more. Perfect. Side bun thing here. Final look. How are we feeling? This little fucking hat is not hatting. Fun fact, these were at Dollar Tree forever. My friend Courtney got them for me. I love you. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'm so happy Dollar Tree had these bitches. This is my cunty art Leonore Johnson III look. Never be trying to do anything creative again in my life. I will go back to my simple shit because I don't know. Yeah. Thanks for watching.